Biocare Lifesciences Incorporated is a pharmaceutical company engaged in the distribution, importation, registration, and marketing of various therapeutic products across the Philippines. We at Biocare commit ourselves to service excellence in the promotion and delivery of essential as well as technologically advanced medical products that are within reach of the average Filipino. We pride ourselves in our company core values: punctuality, integrity, commitment, accountability. And this reflects on our service. Our vision is to play a significant role among the pharmaceutical companies in the Philippines, delivering high-quality yet affordable products and services that improve the quality of the Filipino lives it touches. We are dedicated to our mission to be among the top market leaders in our chosen segments by providing qualitative and affordable medicines to the community and year-to-year growth of employees and stakeholders, as well as to develop a young, talented, and experienced workforce. In 2011, Biocare Lifesciences Incorporated was founded by Managing Director Dilip Tiwari and President Kimberly Chua Tiwari. By 2012, we started the distribution of our products to numerous multinational and national companies. In 2013, Biocare registered over 23 products for different segments, and by 2015, we expanded our staff, deploying our new sales force to 17 areas in Central Luzon, South Luzon, and the Visayas region. In 2016, the expansion of the sales force and marketing team continues to the Greater Manila area, Visayas, and North Luzon, and we've moved to the new HQ with a complete rebrand. By 2017, we successfully launched Sepsul, a combination of third-generation cephalosporins and beta-lactamase inhibitor antibiotic. Now, Biocare expands to Cambodia and launched our first inhaler line with salmeterol fluticasone, Salflosol MDI, and Highcare, brand of salbutamol. Biocare has products from reputed pharmaceutical manufacturers around the world, whose facilities are approved by various regulatory boards. And Biocare hasn't even reached its full potential. In 7 years, we've only laid a foundation. Soon, we'll strengthen our reach to the Mindanao region and eventually spread to the whole Asia-Pacific region with a culture of leadership and accountability. Looking forward, we want Biocare to be a corporation that you can always trust. Providing quality, defining life.
In India, the prevalence of severe sepsis is 28.3% in ICU, and the mortality rate due to sepsis is up to 80%. As we know, sepsis is a complex disease which involves infection and stems the inflammatory response of the body. While a lot of options are available for treating infection, treatment of inflammation in sepsis remains a challenge. In the past, multiple immune system treatment modalities were developed to deal with sepsis inflammation, but none of them showed satisfactory results. However, in a recent study conducted by the scientists of Cadila Pharmaceuticals, a promising immunotherapy treatment for sepsis has been discovered. Presenting the first in the world innovation by Cadila Pharmaceuticals, which will revolutionize sepsis management. Introducing Sepsivac. Save more lives. During sepsis, TLR4 receptors present on the surface of macrophages identify LPS in the cell wall of gram-negative bacteria and bind with it. Binding of LPS with TLR4 leads to the activation of a series of events in the cells, ultimately leading to the production of various inflammatory cytokines. This also leads to activation of the coagulation cascade, resulting in the production of thrombin, activation of platelets, and formation of platelet fibrin clots. Increased TNF-alpha and IL-1 beta levels are responsible for the release of tissue plasminogen activators from vascular endothelial cells, which contributes to coagulation. The process of inflammation also leads to production of nitric oxide, which is associated with hypertension and altered function of various organs. Sepsivac contains Mycobacterium W, an immunomodulator which is a non-pathogenic mycobacterium. Mycobacterium W is a poly-TLR antagonist and an inhibitor of various circulating cytokines. It blocks TLR4 and prevents the attachment of LPS to TLR4 and thereby inhibiting the production of various inflammatory cytokines. In a gene expression study, it was shown that the genes that are modulated in sepsis get reverse modulated by MW stimulation. As a result of the immunomodulator effect, Sepsivac effectively saves more lives in sepsis. This is substantiated by randomized double-blind controlled trial on 202 severe sepsis patients, which showed 11% of reduction in mortality. 0.1 ml of Sepsivac given intradermally at 3 different sites consecutively for 3 days reduces the days on ventilator, ICU stay, hospital stay, incidences of secondary infection, days on vasopressor, and improves the SOFA score. Sepsivac of Biocare Pharmaceuticals helps in saving more lives by reducing mortality and preventing complications in sepsis.